Hello, my name is Sadi and this is CineStuff. What we're talking about today is what you should not do on set. And to help us with the video, we've got Abbas. Abbas is a very new guy. He's gonna show you everything that you should not do on set. So, let's start. Do not get a pet on set. Never. Just don't get a pet on set. Don't pick your nose on set. I don't think I need to explain that twice, but it's just like, guys, come on, that's disgusting. Now, one of the most important ones is, don't touch anything that is not yours. Don't you just dare go into any other location than your own department and just start messing around with the kit, because bet you someone's gonna get really angry. And do us a favor, don't sit down unless everyone is. Always be alert and ready to just do what is needed. Don't small talk or chat on set. People aren't there to talk to you and just like have a nice time. People are there to work. Don't get me wrong now, don't just not socialize, but just do that on any time of break that you guys have. Not when someone is like completely into their work and they need to finish a task. Now this one's gonna hurt a lot of people. Don't you ever use your phone. Just don't do it. And don't even put it on silent. Just turn off the damn thing. Don't you ever, never, ever, ever, never, ever, never, never, ever walk in front of a camera. Understand? And could you please just make sure to eat before you come on set, because nobody wants to hear you chomping on food while they're working. A lot of you guys won't even admit it, but do not fart. That's just plain disgusting. Everybody on set will want to just run away and get out of the area, and nobody would want to film anything, and people would lose their minds and time. And for God's sake, just please watch where you walk, because set is covered in cables and equipment lying everywhere that are like health hazards. And don't depend on people to put them away safely. Just watch where you're walking. Last but not least, be a really good team player. That's very important. Nobody wants to see anyone finishing on set and just being like, okay, bye-bye. So even if you finished packing the stuff in your department and everybody else is sitting there and still working on their stuff, offer some help. And if they would like to, with their permission, go ahead, help them out. Trust me, that'll take you a long way with a lot of departments, and everyone would start loving you around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And until next time, CineStuff out.